Attorney, paano kung yung business partner ko kumuha ng pera sa aming business? Is that considered as qualified theft or estafa? Hi guys, this is Attorney Emma. Yung papag-usapan natin yung difference ng qualified theft and estafa. So ano yung difference? So kailangan muna malaman kung anong klaseng possession meron tayo. Dahil kung meron tayong juridical possession or meron tayong material possession. Yung juridical possession is meron tayong obligation dun sa pera. Ibig sabihin nun, pwede natin gamitin for a specific business purpose or may right tayo or may obligation tayo, ibalik yon sa may-ari ng pera na yan. Or, kung yung pera naman yon ay meron ka ng material possession, which is, ina-account mo lang yung pera, katulad ng mga bank tellers natin, yung mga ganyan. So, yun yung pinaka-main difference. Pag meron kang juridical possession, meron kang obligation to return, estafa. Pero kung meron ka lang material possession, na ina-account mo lang yung pera, tas ninakaw mo at di mo na binalik or walang consent ng company mo, then doon magkakaroon ng qualified theft. Okay guys, so alam nyo na. So, kapag meron kang juridical possession, that's considered as estafa. Pag meron kang material possession, that will be considered as qualified theft. Okay guys, this is Attorney Eman and you're emancipated.